How to enhance photos with DOS and Born tools in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select a photo you want to enhance from your gallery or capture a new one using the camera icon. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, tap on the Adjust tool. To lighten areas and create a DOS effect, use the brightness or highlight slider to increase light in specific parts of your photo. To darken areas and create a burn effect, decrease shadows or exposure selectively by using sliders. Take your time applying these effects gradually for a natural look. Once you are happy with your edits, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your enhanced photo or share it directly. And that's it. Now you know how to enhance photos with DOS and Born like effects in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.